I'm editing or I'm comping a guitar recording that I did a few days ago. Comping means it's a very tedious process and yet absolutely necessary because I'm not a professional musician. It means I recorded a bunch of takes with the guitar and I need to slice my way through the takes and keep only the best. I am not capable of recording a perfect take in one go for some reason. Sometimes I'm not too bad, okay? Not this time. It doesn't sound too bad, to be honest. I'm quite happy about it. If I look a bit puffy, it's because I'm wearing another jumper under this one because I'm super cold. I don't know, winters in London, is that supposed to be like that? It's not too bad. You see these things? That's the different takes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I didn't even bother finishing here because it was so bad. So I have to like listen and slice and then select what parts I want to keep. It's great. See, there's this video I want to shoot soon, kind of like a first produced video of 2021. Well, that's something that's a bit more cinematic and well thought, and usually when I do that on my channel I make the music myself. Pretty much all the video I've released so far I made the music, except for these vlogs for now, because otherwise I would never release anything because it's a lot of work. I have a bit of an idea, so I recorded some guitar. I'll see if I can make it nice and then find other instruments to play with. I'm going to keep editing the guitar. It's a bit boring for you, so I'll probably put some b-roll of me playing the guitar instead. That's probably better. I just plugged this mini keyboard in to play a bit of synthesizers and keyboard and stuff like that. It's quite a cool thing made by Arturia, French company. The thing is, it's a bit... Oh, come on. Why am I so red? Why am I red like that? I don't get it. The difficulty here is to get the momentum. I picked up that nice guitar part. I'm happy with it. And I just plugged in that keyboard and I'm trying to find a melody, which I find something that's quite cute that I like. While I'm in the zone and I'm inspired by that thing, I'm trying to get as much as I can printed so I don't forget. I can re-record it tomorrow, but I've got the idea now, and if it's gone, and I might not, remember it tomorrow. There's only 24 hours in the day and I work tomorrow morning, so I can't do that all night. And I need some rest as well, so... frustration. Okay, it's 2 days later. I've made little progress, but I'm interrupting this program because there's something important I need to do. So I think this is a terrible idea. I think this should be avoided. You shouldn't try this at home. This is probably gonna crash in like an hour or two. So I think I'm gonna move my guitars away from the danger zone. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. The thing with this flat is that I never made it my own, and it's also where I create. So I need the thing to look nice and to be engaging, so I can have ideas and stuff like that. This is so heavy. Nothing on the walls, nothing on the floor apart from boxes, so it's not really helping me
feeling inspired and stuff like that. So I thought I would take that board and put it on the wall, since I'm not really using it right now. I'm a terrible skateboarder. I just use this to like go around town. Yeah, that's probably a better idea actually. It's the next day, it's Sunday right now. The skateboard is still up, by the way. I don't know if you can see it, which is a good thing. I'm still working on the music for my next video, and well, I've made progress yesterday. I found a few like nice ideas. Sometimes people ask me, but how do you make music for image, for video? I'm not sure I have a set process. This particular video, there's a story, a message that I want to deliver, a style, you know, pictures in my head, things that I want to shoot. I'm trying to find music that will help deliver that same message. The thing is, the video inspires the music and the music inspires the video as well. I've got zero of both. I've got no video, I've got no music, but both interact with each other and inspire me. So when I've got nothing, it's a bit hard to start, I'll be honest. I was trying to reflect on the thing that I'm trying to do right now, and I realized that I was following kind of the same path for the video and the audio. Let me explain. Both of them have an intro. The music and what you see are going to have the same style, the same emotion. Video and audio are aligned. So I'm kind of writing the music right now, like using guitars and stuff like that. And when I listen to it, I start picturing more shots from the video, which is good. So that means I'm on the right path. So I can't write like this. The next thing I want is that intro to develop and to kind of rise to some sort of climax. And then I want the ending, again, of the video to be letting the audience, you know, imagine what would be next. I'm trying with the music, with the, you know, the elements that I built during the intro and during the development. I'm trying to reuse that to build an ending that is going to make sense and be kind of like the grown-up version of these two things. Does that make sense? I know it's kind of like intangible right now because I cannot show you anything. I'm trying to bring you in my creative process. Where's the cap? Because that's one thing I realized in the last few weeks. I'm always waiting for whatever I'm working on to be finished before showing you. And you know, it's normal. I want the things to be perfect. I want the things to be as good as they are, as they look like in my head. In reality, that means that I'm not releasing things like often enough to feel good, to feel engaged. And so I feel more and more depressed, and then at some point I'm like, I can't get up because I'm like, what? This vlog right now, it's kind of letting you in the creative process in a raw format. It means I have to share some of the stuff before it's finished. I can't show you everything, but we can still talk about it. Does that make sense? I'm excited about this. Okay, it's 15 past 1 p.m. I'm probably gonna stop here for now and go outside because I need some fresh air. I need to see the outside world before it becomes dark. And I'll resume this probably tonight. Okay, I'm off now. See you next time.